Guys, welcome back to Anup channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So today I am going to show you how you can know your IP address simply, right, from command prompt, right. I will show you two methods how you easily can get your IP address on Windows 11, right. So simply go and type command prompt. You can type CMD also. Then command prompt will show over here. Click on that and simply type ipconfig. ipconfig. When you type ipconfig, you can see over here all the IP subnets will be shown over here, right? Guys, see. So this is all the IP address, all the wireless network details you got over here, right? So it is the simplest way to get the IP details of your PC or internet from your Windows 11, right? From this method. And second method is simple. Just go to the Google and type what is my IP. This is the second method. So you can see my IP is showing over here. So you want to know your IPv6. So just click on that simply. IPv4 you want to know. Just click and you will know the IPv4, right? So IPv6 is my this and IPv4 is this. So it's a simple matter, guys. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.